How to check recently unadded friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Snapchat application. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After you do that, simply tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now select on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down to the very end. Here you can see the option of My Data, so tap on My Data. Now as you do that, it will start loading you to a new page where you'll be able to see what all data can you download for yourself. Now you have to select the particular data that you want for yourself to see. So the memories, chat media, shared stories, your chat history and so on. So when you toggle on these options and then scroll down and tap on next, you have to select the export data or for a certificate or specific data range over here. After that, you have to confirm your email address over here and where you get that email of the data. And as you do that, you just have to tap on submit and you'll be able to check recently unadded friends on Snapchat as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.